Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out by the dock checking out this legendary Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. This is the brand new 2025 model. You can see it's got that iconic Montauk look to it right off the bat. Starting up here in the bow a little bit, you can see we do have this nice cushion added on top here. Underneath that, you just pop that up. You got some non-skid. It's also dedicated anchor storage underneath there. Also makes for a nice casting platform off the front here. This boat is pre-wired for a trolling motor, so you're able to add whatever kind of trolling motor you're looking to add on here. Makes fishing out there on this one a breeze. We've also got a 12-volt plug up here and the spot to put your nav light in once you're out when the sun's going down. Moving on back a little bit, you can see we've got the nice igloo cooler seat with the added cushion on top. So you've got the cushion back here and a nice seat to sit on when you're up here in the bow. And right behind that, you do have 4 rod holders right in front of your console there. Along the sides, you can see we got these nice stainless rails for holding on when you are riding up front or making your way up to the bow. And these cup holders integrated right in there to the non-skid as well. Moving on back a little bit, you can see we do have this nice bimini here that will cover the majority of the cockpit. So from about back here where your live well is to about the front of the windshield here. That's where you're going to get most of your shade coverage when you got that bimini open there. Let's take a look at our console real quick. You can see we got this nice Mercury throttle, and that's powering your 60 horsepower outboard on the back. Right next to it, you've got the JL Audio head unit controlling your JL Audio speakers right below the console there. Makes for an awesome stereo system on this 15-footer right here. You've got some storage under your console as well. So the spot where your nav light's kept, little compartment. That's where your battery switches are and your battery itself. Then over here on the starboard side where you can't see, you do have some tackle box storage, a little tight over there. Then the lounger itself is rocking. So you pop that up, you've got several different positions to choose from, no matter how you want to sit while you're out on this boat here. Then in the far back here, you can see you've got your nice recirculating live well. So you flip that on, it'll fill itself up with water pulling straight from the lake. And it's got that stand pump to keep that water recirculated while you've got some bait in there, something like that. 2 more rod holders on the back as well where your live well is, and then 2 more on either side as well. And this nice curved spot you see here, that's where you can drop 2 buckets as well. It's designed to hold those there in place while you're underway and whatnot. If you've got any questions about this Montauk or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828, and that's me, Blake Holbrooks.